Welcome back. Business News Now. Mike Eppel returning from March break as well. Hi, Mike. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Excellent. I'm doing well. I know you did a bit of a local getaway. Always good.
Yeah. Went down to our favorite area of the province, one of them, of course, but Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Love it.
Spent some time down there for a couple of days and went into Niagara Falls proper, and was it ever busy?
Oh,
like,
for sure.
What a crowd. Thursday last week here was beautiful. Just gorgeous weather, and everybody was outside. And Niagara Falls was just a sea of people. And it really reopened, so to speak. Niagara-on-the-Lake, much more sedate and quiet, just the way I like it.
Are you talking about the wineries? No, just joking.
Yeah,
That's a whole other
too.
thing. Love it. Okay,
right.
You've got a busy agenda today. First, let's start with CP Rail and what this is going to mean with its work stoppage.
Oh, it's not good. This is the country's biggest railway, shut down here by, it's either a lockout or a strike. Not sure which. They're still trying to determine what the actual designation for this work stoppage at CP is. But the bottom line here is, Melanie, this is, the conduit to getting goods to where they got to go. So the manufacturing sector's hit. Fertilizer shipments are off the rails now, and Canada's a massive fertilizer producer, and Russia not producing, and the global supply chain has already been affected by that. Oil shipments could be affected by this as well, and of course the price for oil has done nothing but go up. Seamus O'Regan, the Labour Minister, is hoping that the mediator can bring a solution to this. They've been talking since September on a contract, and no progress. And you have to figure, Melanie, with the contracts that are being given out to unionized workforce in the United States. Last year it was Deere and Company. Those workers got massive wage increases, and CP workers are looking for likely something similar. This could drag on, and that is not good at all for the country's economy, and pretty much the worst possible time for this to be taking place.
No doubt. Okay, let's talk about, we're following in news, this plane crash in China. The aircraft is a Boeing 737. So what does this mean?
Well, for Boeing, it's the implications for the market on what is potentially a tragic accident here for China Eastern Airlines. But look, Boeing went through the 737 MAX crisis 4 years ago. It does not appear that this is a 737 MAX jet. But nevertheless, Boeing's stock is down 7%, just because there are too many unanswered questions right now. So the market looks at algorithms, and Boeing's share price is down in early trade.
Mike, Shanghai Disney shutting down. I just came back from Disney World in Florida, but Shanghai Disney following the numbers, let's say.
Yeah, COVID outbreaks throughout China, and they're shutting down again. So, look, we've gone through 2 years of this, and you wonder and hope that this is sort of localized, for lack of a better description. But they're trying to curtail cases. So how was Disney crowd-wise, Melanie? From what I understand, you still have to make reservations to go there, right? They're still trying to limit capacity.
You do, and then you have like time frame windows where it used to be called Fast Pass, and now it's Genie Plus, and you have to book lanes if you want to get in advance. But like they're still trying to manage the crowds. I'd say we went at a high time, right? We were there over March break, so it was busy. I don't know what it's like on a regular Disney day, but there were people out and about. A lot of people looking to explore, right?
I heard a lot of anecdotal evidence of other folks going to Florida over the past week and saying that the crowds were pretty big. Nevertheless, we'll be tracking Disney shares, because actually this company's been an underperformer here in the past year or so due to theme park restrictions and other issues within the company.
It was still magical, not going to lie.
There you go.
It was still pretty cool. Still very cool. Finally, for you, let's take a look at the markets beginning the week.
Yeah, last week, as I was off, it was a good week. The NASDAQ was up 6%, and lo and behold, the TSX on Friday hit an all-time record high. Toronto stock market continues to be the star of the show. Oil companies, any of the metal and mineral producers, bank stocks have been good. The gold companies, they've all been up. Even Shopify saw a bounce last week, along with the tech sector, which has been an underperformer. I should mention price for oil starting the day just above $109 a barrel. There was a drone strike on a Saudi Arabian energy facility over the weekend, of all things. So that's just another potential red flag for the market.
All right, Mike, as always, appreciate your time. Nice to see you.
You too.
All right, see you again tomorrow. Take care.